name is Sain. I am studying in 6th class. Today we are explaining about magnets.
My name is Bishra. I am studying 6th class. Today we are explaining about the magnets. This is ring magnet.
This is ring magnet.
This is
horseshoe magnet. This have
north and south poles.
It is bar magnet. It is also have north and south poles. Here we are finding directions with bar magnet. First we have to take one stand.
We need
one thread and also bar magnet and tie like this. This is south pole, it is north pole.
If we disturb, when we disturb it, it will again
come
to this place.